Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Grammar Lesson.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Mia.
Today, you will learn singular and plural nouns in just 3 simple rules.
3 rules. That's it. And after this, you will never say 2 mouses again.
One time, I wrote, I saw 3 sheeps in the field. My teacher circled it and wrote, sheep is already plural.
Ha! English really loves to surprise us.
It happens to everyone, but today we fix it right now.
We will give you one simple system. Use it anywhere, in writing, in speaking, at the market, even when talking about your family.
One system, so many places. Ready?
Here is the big picture. A noun is either singular, meaning one, or plural, meaning more than one.
That's it. Only 2 options. Simple, right?
Very simple and very useful.
Singular means one thing, one cat. Plural means more than one thing, 2 cats.
That is the whole idea.
We will build this step by step with easy examples.
And later, if you want the tricky irregular nouns, we will add those too.
But remember, even the basic idea already helps you speak more clearly.
Let's start with step 1.
Step 1. What is a singular noun?
A singular noun means exactly one person, place, or thing.
A cat, a house, a friend, all singular, all just one.
Singular nouns often use a or an in front of them.
I have a book. I saw an elephant. Remember those articles from our earlier episode?
Exactly. Singular nouns and articles work closely together.
Let's practice together. Say it with me. I have a...
Now finish the sentence with your own word.
Good job. You just made your first singular sentence. Before step 2, one small tip. Singular nouns also use this and that.
This book is interesting. That house is beautiful. Both point to one thing.
Good connection. Now let's continue.
Step 2. What is a plural noun?
A plural noun means more than one person, place, or thing.
The easiest way to make a plural is to add s to the end.
Cat becomes cats. Book becomes books. Friend becomes friends.
One small letter, one big change in meaning.
I have 3 cats at home, not 3 cat.
She has 2 sisters, not 2 sister.
See the pattern? Add s when there's more than one.
Plural nouns also use these and those instead of this and that.
These books are mine. Those houses are old. Both point to more than one thing.
Step 4. Nouns ending in s, x, ch, sh, and z. Add es.
Some words don't just take a simple s. They need es instead.
Bus becomes buses. Box becomes boxes.
Watch becomes watches. Dish becomes dishes.
Buzz becomes buzzes.
Why do we add es instead of just s, Mia?
It's easier to say. Try saying box out loud. It's difficult and sounds strange.
Boxes flows much more smoothly.
Give me an example, Jack.
I have 2 watches, but only one works well.
There are 3 buses at the station.
This little es rule saves us from some very awkward sounds.
Step 5. Nouns ending in f or fe.
Here's another interesting pattern. Many nouns ending in F or FE change to V before adding ES.
Leaf becomes leaves. Knife becomes knives.
Life becomes lives.
Wolf becomes wolves. Half becomes halves.
The leaves fell from the trees in autumn.
She has 2 knives in the kitchen drawer.
But careful, not every F word follows this rule.
Roof becomes roofs, not roofs. Chief becomes chiefs, not chieves.
These are exceptions, so with time you will remember them naturally.
Don't worry about memorizing every single word today. Just notice the pattern.
Step 6. Irregular plural nouns.
Now here comes the tricky part. Some nouns don't follow any of these rules at all.
Man becomes men. Woman becomes women. Child becomes children.
Tooth becomes teeth. Foot becomes feet. Mouse becomes mice.
My tooth hurts. My teeth hurt. Completely different words.
I saw a mouse in the kitchen. Then I saw 3 mice later that night.
These words change their whole spelling, not just the ending.
There is no easy rule here. We simply need to learn them one by one.
What was your biggest struggle with irregular plurals, Mia?
Mine was person and people. I used to say many persons, but native speakers usually say people.
I struggled with child and children. I used to say childs, which made everyone laugh.
We all make these mistakes at first. It's part of learning.
But now we notice them quickly and use them correctly.
Step 7. Nouns that stay the same in singular and plural.
Some nouns look exactly the same, whether singular or plural.
Remember sheep from the beginning of our episode?
1 sheep, 2 sheep, no change at all.
1 fish is often the same too. 1 fish, many fish.
Deer also stays the same. 1 deer, 3 deer.
How do we know if it's singular or plural then?
We look at the rest of the sentence. The sheep is eating, singular. The sheep are eating, plural.
The verb tells us the real story, even when the noun looks identical.
Clever trick, right? Context always helps.
Step 8. Nouns that end in S but are actually singular.
This might surprise you. Some words end in S, but they are grammatically singular.
Mathematics, physics, news. Remember these from our Uncountable Nouns episode?
The news is on TV, not the news are.
Mathematics is difficult for me, not mathematics are.
These words look plural, but they act singular every time.
English keeps its little surprises, doesn't it?
It really does. But once you know the pattern, it stops feeling surprising.
Step 9. Nouns that are always plural.
On the opposite side, some nouns are always plural and never singular.
Scissors, pants, glasses, clothes. These always take a plural verb.
My scissors are on the desk, not my scissors is.
These pants are too long for me, not this pants is.
If we want to count them, we say a pair of scissors or a pair of pants.
I bought a new pair of glasses yesterday.
One item, but grammatically it always stays plural. Interesting, right?
Step 10. Quick practice with real examples.
Let's try a simple game. I will say a singular noun. You give me the plural form.
Ready? Box,
Boxes,
baby,
babies,
child,
children,
sheep.
sheep, no change.
Great job! You're getting faster already.
Try this game yourself with objects around your room right now.
This is the best practice, thinking quickly again and again.
Your brain remembers better when you practice actively, not only read.
Quick reminder before we continue. Our main idea was singular means one, plural means more than one, and most nouns simply add s or es.
Everything after that, changing y to I, f to v, irregular forms, these are helpful details.
The basic idea is enough for almost every sentence.
Good. Now let's add one more bonus part.
Step 11. Nouns ending in O.
Some nouns ending in O just add s. Others add es. It depends on the word.
Photo becomes photos. Piano becomes pianos. Video becomes videos.
But potato becomes potatoes. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Hero becomes heroes.
There isn't always one clear rule here. Reading and listening will help your ear remember.
I took many photos on my trip.
I bought some tomatoes at the market.
With practice, these small differences become natural and easy.
Step 12. Put it all together.
Now, let's build a few full sentences.
Listen to my example. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. My sisters have 5 children between them, but my brother has no children yet. Last summer, we saw sheep and deer on our family trip.
Listen to my example. My scissors are missing again. I used them to cut some leaves from the garden. Then a mouse ran past me, and I dropped everything.
See, we used singular and plural nouns naturally in the same short story.
Nothing feels forced. Nothing feels confusing.
That is the perfect balance.
See? Easy. Simple rules, clear sentences.
You don't need perfect grammar all at once. You just need clear, simple practice.
And a little bit of patience helps too.
Step 13. Practice time.
Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions in your head or write them down.
Question 1. What is the plural of city?
Question 2. What is the plural of knife?
Question 3. What is the plural of child?
Question 4. Is sheep the same in singular and plural?
Question 5. Correct the mistake. I saw 2 mices in the garage.
Question 6. True or false? Scissors is always plural, even when you mean one pair.
Now, check your answers with a friend or write them in the comments below.
Say your sentences out loud, in front of a mirror, or while you make your coffee, or while you walk.
This is the best practice, speaking out loud again and again.
Your brain remembers better when you speak, not only think.
So don't be shy. Try it right now, after this episode.
Let's review everything one more time, very quickly.
Most nouns just add s.
Nouns ending in s, x, ch, sh, z add es.
Consonant plus y change to I, add es.
Many nouns ending in f or fe change to v and add es.
Some nouns are irregular and simply must be learned.
Some nouns stay the same in singular and plural.
6 small rules, 1 simple system.
But remember, you only truly need the first rule. Most of the time, just add s.
The rest add slowly over time as you feel ready.
You don't need every exception today. Choose the rules you understand best.
Maybe you only remember 2 rules today. That is perfectly okay.
Next week, maybe you add 1 more rule. Slowly, you build full confidence.
Learning grammar is not a race. It's a walk, 1 small step at a time.
I love that idea.
If you're unsure about a word, a quick search online can confirm the correct plural form.
If you are speaking with a friend, don't worry too much. Just try and keep going.
It depends on the moment. Feel the meaning and choose your word.
That is a very smart tip.
Before we finish, let's talk about this topic one more time.
Singular and plural nouns are not scary ideas.
They're helpers.
Helpers that show exactly how many things you mean.
And when you use them correctly, people understand you instantly.
No confusion about one mouse or 3 mices.
Just clear, natural, confident English.
It all starts with one small, simple question. Is it one or is it more than one?
So remember, keep it simple.
Practice daily.
And smile.
A smile makes learning more fun too.
Remember my story from the beginning? I saw 3 sheeps. That's all I could say one time.
I remember. It made me smile.
But now, if someone asks me about plurals, I don't freeze anymore.
Because now you have a system, a simple structure in your head.
Exactly. And now you have that system too.
Yes, all of our listeners do too.
So next time you write or speak, take a breath and think.
Then just ask yourself, is this one thing or more than one thing?
You will surprise yourself with how well you can do it.
I believe in you, our dear listeners.
We really do.
We mean it.
So here is your challenge right now.
Pause this video
And say 3 sentences, one with a regular plural, one with an irregular plural, and one with a noun that stays the same in both forms.
For example, I have 2 children, 3 books, and 1 sheep on my farm.
You can write anything you want.
We would love to read your comments and check your sentences.
It will be so much fun reading all your examples.
Thank you all so much for learning with us today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure as always.
Stay curious and keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another fun grammar episode.
And remember, knowing singular from plural makes your English crystal clear.
One or more than one, your system forever.
Goodbye for now.
Bye everyone.
Bye, Jack.
Bye Mia.